What's the last thing you remember?
Pain. Lots of pain. Just woke up here. I don't know.
Don't remember the invasion?
Who's invading?
Not who, what.
Go! Go!
The machines are hunting everyone down. I've lost everyone.
See, someone's out there fighting. So there's a U.S. base to the north, and I want you to help me find them.
All you'll find at that base is a lot of dead bodies.
If you had people in that base, you'd do anything you could to get to them. I believe I do. Drone warfare from God knows where. They must have some weakness. Something we can use against them.
America, Africa, China, Europe, all of it's gone. For all we know, we're the last ones left. But we have to do this. For everyone.
To live is to fight. To fight is to live.